Under User Interface, we have Production Unit Master. Under this, we have Unit Master. Under Unit Master, we have Code and Name. Middle of the page, we have Save and Reset option. Under User Interface, we have Resource Type Master. Under Resource Type Master, we have Resource Type Name, Resource Type Description. Middle of the page, we have Saved and Reset option. Below we have Resource Type, Description, Entry by, Edit, and Delete option. Under User Interface, we have Resource Group Master. Under Resource Group Master, we have Resource Type, Resource Group Name, and Description. Middle of the page, we have Save and Reset option. Below we have Resource Group Lists. Under this, we have Serial Number, Resource Group Name, Resource Type Name, Description, and Action. Under Action, we have Edit and Delete. Under User Interface, we have Resource Category Master. Under Resource Category Master, we have Resource Type Name, Resource Type Description. Middle of the page, we have Saved and Reset option. Below we have Resource Category Show. Under this, we have Resource Type, Description, Edit, and Delete. Under User Interface, we have Process Master. Under Process Master, we have Parent Process, Code, and Name. Middle of the page, we have Save and Reset option. Below we have Process List. Under this we have Serial Number, Process Code, Process Name, Parent Process Name, Entered by, and Action. Under Action, we have Edit and Delete option. Under User Interface, we have Resource Master. Under Resource Master, we have Resource Type, Resource Group, Unit, Resource Category, Resource Name, Barcode, Description, Foreign Name, Process, Unit of Measurement, Resource Unit per Time Period. Below, we have General option. Under this, we have Add option. Under Add, we have Serial Number, Cost Name, Cost. Below we have Remarks, and Type of Status like Active or Inactive. Next we have Runtime Set per Product. Under this, we have Select a product category, minute or quantity, Add to add the value, and right side we have Delete option. Under Planning Data, we have Standard Day Capacity, Night, and Day Capacity. Below, we have Save and Cancel. Under User Interface, we have Contractor Master. Under Contractor Master, we have Contractor, Unit, Process Name, Product Group, Product Name, Unit of Measurement, Resource Category, Resource Name, Rate, Period from, Period to. Middle of the page, we have Add. Under Add Contractor Lists, we have Save and Reset option. Below we have Contractor Lists. Under Contractor Lists, we have Serial Number, Contractor Name, Unit, Process Name, Product, Unit of Measure Name, Resource Category, Resource Name, Rate, Entered by, and Action. Under Action, we have Edit and Delete. Under User Interface, we have Bill of Materials. Under Bill of Materials, we have Date. Under Finished Product, we have Group, Subgroup, Product Name, Planning Quantity, Process Name, Sub-Process Name, Time Needs to be Taken, Price List, Bill of Materials Type, Warehouse. Under raw material, we have type, description, group, subgroup, material name, quantity, and middle of the page we have add. Under records of bill of materials, we have serial number, formula ID, product, entered by, formulation date, and action. Under action, we have edit and delete. Under user interface, we have production planning. Under production planning, we have type, order date, status, due date, operation type, order number, and select existing order number, stage, unit, formulation quantity, ordered quantity, planned quantity. Under add extra item or resource, we have process name, sub-process name, type, resources, group, subgroup, material name, quantity. Middle of the page, we have add option to add. Under remarks and other details, we have remarks, pick and pack remarks, contractor. Under production planning records, we have serial number, planning order number, product, operation type, and creation date. Under user interface, we have demand slip. Under demand slip, we have department, unit, demand date, and remarks. Under item details, we have serial number, stock alias, stock name, unit, remarks, quantity, and action. Under action, we have edit. At the end of the page, we have save and reset option. Under user interface, we have production issue. Under production details, we have serial number, production unit, production number, operation type, product, planned quantity, order number, planned date, and client. Under this, we have production unit, department, issue date, remarks. Middle of the page, we have save and reset option. Under user interface, we have receipt from production. Under receipt from production orders, we have serial number, production order number, plan number, operation type, product, planned quantity, plan date, client, and production stage. Below, we have production details where output item and total expected output quantity for the stage description is there. Middle of the page, we have saved and reset option. Under receive details, we have production number, product, planned quantity. Under user interface, we have materials consumption. Under materials consumption report, we have process, sub-process, unit, group, subgroup, product name, date from, date to, price list. Left side we have show and reset option. Middle of the page, we have save and reset option. Below we have slide code, reference number, return from, return date, and action. Under user interface, we have material specification. Under quality control materials for goods, we have group such as raw material, semi-finished goods, and finished goods. Subgroup items, process, sub-process, parameter name, standard value. Middle of the page, we have add option to add. Below we have serial number, group, subgroup, items, process, sub-process, parameter name, standard value, and action. Under action, we have edit and delete option. Under user interface, we have daily internal capacity. Under daily internal capacity, we have production unit, resource name, capacity period, from date, to date. And middle of the page, we have done option. Under user interface, we have unit-to-unit transfer. Under unit-to-unit transfer, we have from unit to unit. Under records of unit-to-unit transfer, we have serial number, code from warehouse to warehouse, and action. Under action, we have edit and delete option. Below, we have quantity transfer. Under this, we have serial number, stock name, unit quantity measurement, quantity. Middle of the page, we have update. Under records of unit-to-unit transfer, we have serial number, code from warehouse to warehouse, and action. Under action, we have edit and delete. Under user interface, we have production shift master. Under production shift entry, we have shift name, description, start time, end time. Middle of the page, save and reset option. Below, we have shift name, description, start time, end time, entry by, and delete. At the right side, we have edit. Under user interface, we have resources replanning. Under set resources allocation manually, we have production order date, plan number. After filling up the form below, we can see resources number, resources name, total runtime required. Under report, we have daily production report. Under daily production report, we have date from, date to, operation type, client, order number, product, unit, process, sub-process, shifting, contractor, and resource. Middle of the page, we have show option. After click on show report option, we can export your data report as your required format. Page will appear in this way. Under report, we have production cost summary. Under production cost summarized report, we have product, process, sub-process. Middle of the page, we have show option. After filling up the form, page will appear in this way. Below of the page, we can export your data report as your required format. Under report, we have daily production report unit. Under daily production report unit, we have process, sub-process, unit, unit of measurement, from date to date. At the right side, we have show option. Under report, we have production planning report. Under production planning report, we have product, order number, process, and sub-process. At left side, we have export option to export your data in a SSL format. Middle of the page, we have show to show the data report. After pressing show option, process, plan number, operation type, planned quantity, status, production unit, and item details. Under report, we have contractor payment. Under production report, we have contractor from date to date. Middle of the page, we have search. To show the data report below, you can export the data as your required format. Under report, we have production report. Under production report, we have process, sub-process, unit, from date to date, and unit of measurement. Middle of the page, we have show report option. After click on report option, production report will appear in this way.